A new report reveals that Trump and Melania meme coins have plunged over 90% since launch, wiping out $4.3 billion from investors. Insiders reportedly gained at least $600 million, while nearly 2 million wallets remain underwater. This highlights the extreme risks of meme coins, with accusations of insider trading and regulatory gaps fueling debate. A sudden, coordinated attack caused the Trump-linked USD1 stablecoin to briefly dip below its $1 peg, shaking market confidence. WLFI reported that attackers hacked co-founder accounts, paid influencers to spread FUD, and opened large shorts, but USD1's one-to-one backing and redemption mechanism quickly restored stability. The incident highlights how even fully backed stablecoins can face trust shocks in volatile crypto markets. A $40 million hack in January forced Step Finance to shut down its Solana-based platforms, highlighting the risks of weak device security over smart contract flaws. The breach, which exploited executive devices, led to a 97% crash in Step token value, and the team failed to secure funding or a buyer. Step Finance will buy back Step tokens based on pre-hack values, while Remora R tokens remain fully backed for redemption. Vitalik Buterin just sold 1,869 ETH, worth about $3.7 million, as Ethereum's price fell nearly 6%. This move brings his 2026 total to almost 9,000 ETH sold, while he still holds over 224,000 ETH, valued at $429 million. The sales coincided with market reactions to new global tariffs, highlighting the ongoing link between macro events and crypto markets. The largest drop in USDT supply since 2022 signals a major shift in the stablecoin landscape. Tether's USDT fell by $1.5 billion in February, while USDC's supply and trading volume surged, reflecting changing user trust and regulatory preferences. As USDT's dominance wanes, the stablecoin market is rapidly evolving, with transparency and integration driving adoption. A sudden shift in U.S. tariff policy sent Bitcoin tumbling below $65,000, wiping over $100 billion from the crypto market in just 24 hours. More than 130,000 traders faced $458 million in liquidations, while ETF outflows hit a 5-week streak, highlighting extreme fear and ongoing macro uncertainty. Analysts warn that without clear policy signals, crypto markets may remain under pressure as capital rotates to safer assets. Bitcoin just dropped over $3,000 in less than 2 hours, pushing the Crypto Fear and Greed Index to a historic low of 5. More than 136,000 traders were liquidated in the past 24 hours, with $458 million wiped out, 92% from leveraged long positions. The market is now gripped by extreme fear, and volatility is expected to continue in the short term. Institutional investors are pulling out of MicroStrategy, raising new doubts about its stock rebound. Recent filings show major exits and reduced positions, with technical indicators highlighting weak momentum and fragile support. Without strong institutional backing, MicroStrategy stock faces a critical test, with key price levels likely to determine its next move. Ethereum inflows to Binance have surged to a record $33.3 billion in the past 30 days, but the price remains steady, around $1.955. This massive inflow hasn't triggered a sharp sell-off, suggesting funds are being repositioned rather than panic sold. Analysts say if demand absorbs the supply, market volatility may decrease, but if not, $1.955 could be tested as support soon. BitMine just boosted its Ethereum holdings to over 4.42 million ETH, even as unrealized losses hit $8.8 billion. The company's aggressive accumulation continues, but its stock price remains stuck in a bearish trend, reflecting weak institutional support. Unless major buyers step in soon, both BitMine stock and Ethereum could face further downside. A sudden $367 million crypto futures liquidation in just 1 hour sent shockwaves through the market, exposing the risks of high leverage. Major exchanges saw cascading forced sales, with Bitcoin and Ethereum contracts hit hardest. This highlights the importance of risk management in volatile crypto derivatives trading. Bitdeer, the world's largest Bitcoin miner by hash rate, just liquidated its entire Bitcoin treasury in one decisive move. Over 8 weeks, Bitdeer sold more than 100 BTC, converting reserves and newly mined coins into cash to fund expansion into AI and high-performance computing. This marks a major shift from traditional miner strategies, as the company prioritizes operational liquidity and infrastructure growth over holding Bitcoin assets.